Greetings, Mr. Wahlberg here. We're starting the second half of Chapter 5, more on figures, but we're going to start kind of moving them around and doing some different things with them. This is Section 5.5 on translations. It says a translation here is a transformation, which every figure slides but does not turn. Every point of the figure moves in the same distance and same direction. So we cannot have a bigger, we can't have a smaller figure. It's got to be the same. I have triangle ABC here. This triangle has slid down here. It's called a translation. Nothing has changed other than its location, basically. Everything has to stay the same. A becomes what's called A prime. It's got that little tiny dash over it. B becomes B prime, and C becomes C prime. What we're going to show you here is how we can move these. To make this happen, we had to take A over and then down. So what was our movement here? We had to go horizontally 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and we had to go down 1, 2, 3, 4. And that's going to be the same with each one here, all the way over and down. So we went 6 over on the X, and we went, 4 down on the Y. Type of example problems you're going to see on your homework. Tell whether the blue figure is a translation of the red figure. So we have to start with red because it says a translation of the red. So red is where we start. Can I translate red and become the blue? Well, yes, I can easily just slide all of these points over, and it doesn't change really in any way there. Let me erase that. It doesn't get bigger, it doesn't get smaller, it just slides, so that is definitely a translation. B is not, by the way, yes, so we'd say yes. B is not a translation because I can't just slide this over and become 3. That is a complete turn, and that would be a no answer. Alright, another kind of problem you're going to see. You're given a triangle here, ABC, and I've already showed you its translation down here. It tells you how they move, 3 units to the right, 3 units down. So I take A, slide it over, go down, B, and C. Again, when they have that little dash by it, it's called A prime, B prime, and C prime. That's the image that you have translated by moving it and shifting it over. They're asking you what are the coordinates of the image. Anytime we ask image, we're talking about the new figure. Image, you want to look for the primes and where they're at now. So A prime would be, I go 1 over and I go -2 down. B prime would be, looks like 5 over, and we are going 1, 2 up, so 2 up. C prime would be 4 over and -1 down, so 4 over and -1 down. Autumn's here. Say hi, Autumn.
Hello.
That's my daughter. Okay, last slide here. This is your practice problem. I'm going to check this on Monday when we get back to school. You're going to draw a square, A, B, C, and D. Those are the coordinates that they give you. It says draw the figure, so you're going to just, basic draw of that figure. And then it's asking you to draw then its image after you translate it. Its translation is going to be 4 units to the left and 6 units up. So you're just going to, wherever this square is, you're going to draw the original one, and then you're going to move it 4 left, and then you're going to move it up. So wherever that ends up, I'm going to check both A, B, C, D. And remember, your image is going to be A prime, B prime, C prime, and D prime. All right? Have a great weekend.